Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. In this video, I will guide you on how to use our inventory for complicated grief. Grief is a natural response to loss or bereavement. It involves profound sadness, longing, and sorrow as individuals navigate through the void left by the absence of what once was. This emotional journey can include feelings such as emptiness, disbelief, and even anger, as individuals grapple with the reality of their loss. The Inventory of Complicated Grief Scale was developed to assess the intensity and complexity of an individual's grief. It is a 19-item self-report measure that evaluates the strengths of one's bereavement experience. Each item is scored using a 5-point scale ranging from 0 to 4. Scores of 0 to 2 are considered endurable, and 3 to 4 are deemed intolerable. To use our free Inventory for Complicated Grief Scale, follow these steps. Download our Inventory for Complicated Grief Scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, complete the assessment. Ask your clients to respond to the scale's items, indicating how each statement aligns with their emotions and experiences related to complicated grief. Examples of the items in the scale are: I think about this person so much that it's hard for me to do things I normally do. I cannot accept the death of the person who died. I can't help feeling angry about their death. Interpret the outcomes. After completing the assessment, interpret the results to grasp your client's complicated grief tendencies. Discuss the findings. Review the outcomes with your client and address any questions they may have. Here is a sample of our Inventory for Complicated Grief Scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Inventory for Complicated Grief Scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.